Hey guys, it's Jonesy here with another update on the 69 Camaro RESTOMOD. Got a lot done this week. We had to repair the inner fender well, so we got that done, got it put back on today. Got all the wiring neatened up, the intake back on, so that's all done. But the big thing is we got the doors on and they look great. Nice and straight. Got new door hinges. And this is how I ran the wiring for the both power windows and power locks. So that worked out just perfect. Our billet door handles. Then I'll show you on the other side how I machine out these holes. We got the power windows installed, power locks installed on the passenger side. Now I just need to do the driver's side. These outer glides, been waiting for those to come in. So we got those. They actually go in and hook back underneath there. So we got those installed today. Striker, stainless steel. I'll show you over here. This is the electronic window kit from Electric Life. For the driver's side, got the tracks. I'm actually going to clean those up and then we'll grease those. Here's my rear view mirror I need to put on. This is the quarter glass trim. This is the old one. It's really bad shape, so I had to order new ones. And I got them sent out to powder coat, so they should be back next week, because we're powder coating those black so they'll slide and not wear like paint would. Got new seals for those. Here's the latch for the driver's side, and we're working on the mirrors. We're working on the glass. Take a look at that door handle. That's what it looked like. We kind of machined in those little holes there to match the wheels. We also grained the window sweeps. So that way they'll match the wheels as well. Still have to adjust the window.